who live in Shirazgons or any other parts of the world, feeling sad, feeling lonely, feeling upset, feeling anxiety, whatever is your feeling so bad, just get off from home and come close to the river. Tell out all the things that in your heart to the river, and you will see that you are feeling good. But the one things you have to make sure you have to come very close to the river, the edge of the river, and if it is possible, make ablution with the water of river and walk along the river and tell louder as much as you can all your sorrow to the river. Suddenly you will observe that you are feeling good, you are feeling peace, you are feeling calm, you are feeling cool. So try these things if you are living in any city very close to the river or sea or beach. Try this method if you are feeling guilty. Try once.